Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Crypto, and today we are going to be discussing USD Coin. I am going to show you what the project is all about, how to buy USDC, some of the best wallets that you can use, and more. Remember to hit that subscribe notification button to get notified when we cover our next whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Centre has embarked upon a community-driven mission to build an open financial system for the entire world, where everyone can enjoy the stability of the US dollar, which is the world's leading fiat currency. The USD coin allows unbanked and underbanked individuals in any country to hold a US dollar-backed asset using only a mobile phone. The USD coin doesn't require a bank account, and using it is not restricted by your location. It can easily be sent anywhere in the world at extremely low costs, with no intermediaries or permissions needed. USDC was created as a stable and useful form of digital money that would not swing from one value to the next based on volatile market movements. This stable coin runs on Ethereum, which is a decentralized, programmable blockchain that offers a huge range of apps and tokens. It is backed by dollar-denominated assets, which are held in segregated accounts with US-regulated financial institutions, and each USD coin is always redeemable for 1 USD. So who created the USD coin? USDC was created by Centre, which is an open-source technology developed collectively by Circle and Coinbase. Jeremy Allaire is the CEO, chairman, and co-founder of Circle. Previously, he co-founded and led multiple global internet technology companies with thousands of employees who served millions of consumers and ensured multiple successful public offerings on NASDAQ. Brian Armstrong and Fred Ursum co-founded Coinbase, with Brian being its first CEO. He attended Rice University in Texas and has a dual bachelor's degree in economics along with a master's in computer science. The best way to buy USDC is through Coinbase. Before you can convert USDC or other cryptocurrencies into USDC, you will need to have a Coinbase account. You can easily search for USD and buy it. After the USDC is credited into your account, you can transfer the tokens to any Ethereum wallet. It is important to note that USDC cannot be mined, but only minted. Every time someone buys or converts currency and acquires USDC, a new coin is minted and a new dollar is added to the bank account behind USD coin. USDC is available as an Ethereum ERC20, Algorand ASA, Solana SPL, Stellar Asset, and Tron TRC20 token. It works with many ERC20 compatible wallets and several popular cryptocurrency exchanges. It has real-world use in global commerce and money transfers, and can also be a useful, valuable addition to your crypto portfolio. Some of the top 3 best wallets to use include the Coinbase software wallet, which enables you to buy and store ERC20 tokens, participate in airdrops and ICOs, collect rare digital art and other collectibles, browse decentralized applications, shop at stores that accept cryptocurrency, and send crypto to anyone around the world. The multi-asset Coinomi wallet supports over 1,500 digital assets and guarantees high-level security and privacy features, as well as an intuitive, beginner-friendly user interface. And finally, the Trust Wallet software allows you to trade multiple cryptocurrencies safely, provides you with a secure access key to prevent unauthorized access, and also has multi-coin support that enables you to purchase and swap thousands of coins and blockchain types. USDC can be traded with several popular exchanges, including Coinbase, Binance, and Poloniex, and the top trading pairs are currently USDT to the USDC, the BTC to the USDC, and the ETH to USDC. So what do we like about USD Coin? USDC guarantees stable values and prices because it is fully backed by USD assets that are reserved in segregated accounts with trusted financial institutions. This coin is powered by Ethereum, and it is an Ethereum token that can be stored in an Ethereum-compatible wallet. It is designed to allow the global movement of dollars crypto wallets to other exchanges, businesses, and people. Billions of people around the world are excluded from the global economy because they don't have bank accounts. So USDC allows unbanked individuals in any country in the world to hold dollar value assets using a mobile phone and a digital wallet. This digital coin has established a crucial link between traditional finance and the blockchain-powered open financial system by making a major breakthrough in the way money is used. The USD coin has evolved into one of the largest stable coins in the world, and hundreds of companies, products, and services support the USDC standard, which creates value for the entire blockchain ecosystem. If you are interested and would like to learn more or get involved in the project, be sure to follow the links in the description. And that is our overview of USD Coin. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.